it's a fact, it's a reality that the cost of health insurance is rising steadily. I see that every time my policy comes up for renewal as well. So what exactly is the issue? Mahavir, if I could ask you first, is it just medical inflation or is it just commercial considerations? These are listed companies, many of them. Why is the cost of health insurance going up so much?
Right. So, of course, medical inflation is to be blamed because why healthcare costs are increasing, health insurance premiums will also increase. The other reasons are also very important to understand. One of which is basically the product scope has grown very significantly. Like the things that Amit just mentioned about, which is basically that waiting periods have been reduced, or new conditions have been covered now by insurance companies. This basically results in an increase in premiums. Not only the regulatory changes that have happened in products, but also market changes have happened in products where products have become more competitive and they have better features than what they used to have, let's say 2 or 3 years ago. And that, of course, will have an impact on premiums also, right? So these are major reasons that why premiums increase. Apart from this, meaning the second question that you had was around will premiums keep increasing in the future? In my view, because there is a race to provide better features and better products to customers, and these features are really top of the line features, making the product more comprehensive, there is definitely a higher chance of premiums increasing further in the future than they have been increasing in the past. The only thing that could save us from increasing premiums in the future is the cashless everywhere facility that insurance companies have come together to work on, where insurance companies can negotiate better rates with hospitals and bring costs down. That is the only, I think, the positive that I see in the overall space that could help reduce prices in the long run. But apart from that, because of the market dynamics of giving better products to the customer plus healthcare inflation, both put together, I see healthcare insurance products and prices to keep increasing in the future.
Sure, that's the hard reality. In fact, let's just pull that table back up. Amit's team sent us quite a nice table on just the way cost of major surgeries and treatments has absolutely ballooned. What we're showing you is 2023. If I extrapolated back in time, pre-COVID, so cancer treatment used to cost about 26 lakhs. Now it's almost 51 lakh rupees. A heart transplant that was costing less than 18 lakhs is now costing 34. For something like a kidney transplant from about 9-10 lakhs, the cost of that surgery today is about 18 lakhs. So the cost of medical procedures has really gone through the roof. There's no denying that, especially after COVID. Amit, come in on this factor. So what does it mean for us? I mean, will costs keep going higher and higher? Can there be, Mahavir mentioned that plans are getting more comprehensive. There are lots of new features. But, give us a ballpark estimation. What does it mean for costs for, say, someone in their mid-30s? Let's talk about people who do not have pre-existing diseases right now. What can they expect in terms of the costs this year?
If you look at it from a pure vanilla angle in terms of should premiums increase, they should increase, right? Because one, as we discussed, the cost of hospitalization has gone up. And that's just one part of the story. The other part of the story is that the frequency of hospitalizations have also gone up significantly, right? So one of the things that we have seen happening in the last 1 year is what we call value for money plans being launched by multiple companies. So now the top 4 companies in the country offer what we call value for money plans, where you choose the network where you want to go to. So basically you tell the company that I won't go to the top luxury and hospitals of the country, but I'll go anywhere else, and you get a 20% discount on the premium. So by doing that, we are now seeing almost 20% of all our consumers actually taking cheaper plans than what they would have bought last year. So that is, and this is one of the methods. The other method is to take a deductible. Deductible essentially means that you pay a part of the claim when it comes, and it's a very small amount. You pay only 20,000 rupees of the claim whenever it happens. Rest everything is still funded by the insurance company, and this gives you a 20-30% discount in the premium as well.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go. Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18. Now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18 and do follow us on all our social media platforms for news, updates and more.